So today I'm going to walk you through signing up for a free Salesforce account that has Data Cloud and Agentforce enabled. And I'll walk you through the process of signing up, confirming your email address, getting logged in, and getting Einstein, Agentforce, and Data Cloud all set up and going. So follow along with me. I'm going to share my screen. And the first order of business is signing up for that free account. I'll link to this down below the video, and that's at developer.salesforce.com. And you can always search for free developer account. It doesn't matter if you're a developer, administrator, or anything in between. You can sign up for these free learner accounts. The caveat here is that you need to stay active in this org that you sign up for within 45 days. If you go 46 days or more without logging in, they will close out the account. So just simply fill in your name, your email address, your company name, and my company name here is Agentforce Academy. That is our training academy where we teach you Agentforce. So be sure and check out agentforceacademy.com, or you can always email me at agentforceacademy@velza.com, which I have on the screen here. That will make its way to me, and I can answer any questions you have about our training program. Now, once you've filled in the information here and confirm that you're not a robot, you can click Sign Me Up. And then you should see a notification about checking your email. If you do not see this particular screen, you've already signed up for a free developer account, and they're not going to allow you to do additional developer accounts with the same email address. And so you may need to use a burner email account or an email alias of some sort, like I did with that agentforce@velza.com. That is an alias that forwards to my own email address. And then next you will check your email, confirm that. And so here's what that email looks like. You want to click the reset password link, and you can record this information for later. I'm going to put this in a reference file or text file for myself, but don't click the link here. That will take you to your org, but you've not set up your passwords yet. So you want to click reset password. So just click the reset password button, and this will take you to a screen where you can change your password, and this will also show you what your username is. This is auto-generated, and notice that it has agentforce.com as the URL. This is, I think, a hint that Salesforce may eventually change their name to Agentforce. It's too early to tell, but potentially. So all you got to do is set your password, confirm it, and then answer a security question and click change password, and then you will be logged in. Once you set your password, you'll be logged in, and you'll start getting hit with some pop-ups. Salesforce is notorious with giving you pop-ups whether you want them or not. I'm going to allow notifications here, and I'm on the seller home, and I'm going to dismiss this stay ahead of incidents getting started. Here is a Sales Blazor widget, which is newer in these orgs, but what I want to walk you through is the process of enabling things in a certain order here. Now, one thing to confirm with this new org is, at least the last time I checked, Data Cloud is not automatically enabled, and you've got to start that process. Ways you can check that is you can click and search for Data Cloud inside of the app launcher, and we will see if we have anything already set up as far as data streams or data lake objects, and we can set this to all data streams and pin that for later view. There are no data streams, and then once again another pop-up appearing here, data lake objects, and this is kind of some housekeeping that I like to do in any sort of new learner org, and I do this all the time with each live cohort of Agentforce Academy. Once again, go to agentforceacademy.com to check that out. And then as well, another thing you may want to check out is the search index, and we'll go from recently viewed to all search indexes, or indices, it should say. And then we can go into the setup menu. You'll see several additional setup menu options here, Data Cloud Setup, and then here we will see if this has been set up or not. And this will be the first order of business. I'm going to close out the Guidance Center and all the other nagware that comes up. And here is the process of getting started with setting up our Data Cloud instance. This used to be already set up by default in the free developer orgs, and now it is not. You've got to start spinning that up, and it takes a good while, sometimes longer than an hour, for that Data Cloud instance to get going. And you may see an error appear as well that had trouble creating your metadata for your Data Cloud instance, and then you can always return back to Data Cloud Setup through the gear icon, or you can go to the full setup experience here, the full setup menu, and search for Data Cloud Setup. And once again, another pop-up. But searching for Data Cloud, we will find the Data Cloud Setup home, and that will take you to that same place, and we will see that it's in the process of spinning up this Data Cloud instance and setting up the metadata, and then it's got several more steps to do. So that will take a good while.